Manual creation mode. Give your quiz a title and select the most relevant category. Once everything is set, click Create Manually. The system will now build your new quiz. You'll then see a blank question template appear. Here's where you can type your question at the top and add multiple choice answers below. You can enrich your question by adding media. Click the purple plus media button to upload photos, select from the gallery, or even attach video or audio. Once you select an image, it's instantly added above your question. This makes your quiz more engaging and visually appealing. Now that we've added answer options, notice that you can mark the correct answer by clicking the small check mark next to it. At the bottom, you can configure details such as the question type, points, and time limit. Now, let's explore more advanced options. From here, you can switch from basic to advanced question types with just one click. In quiz settings, you can upload a custom photo to personalize your quiz further. The Show Score option is enabled, so participants will see correct and incorrect answers at the end. You can also toggle level to assign a difficulty or grade level for your quiz. There you go. Choose your quiz mode and share it.